Hey, good evening, everybody. Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Let's take a look. A little bit of a down day today again. Once again, we're just kind of drifting lower to start the year. So far, it looks like a really easy-go-lucky, kind of low volatility, low panic pullback. And so at this point, I don't see any change in structure of the market. It's been fairly tradable, and I think for the most part, people are welcoming this type of dip and a relief from really overbought conditions that really nerve people out because people hate having to chase new highs and strength. It really nerves you out. But I think this is giving us a chance to reset some charts and get in at some good prices. So let's see what the market does tomorrow. But so far, so good. Couple stocks that I'm watching, with these Chinese stocks hot, this stock's a turd. I would hate to even really trade it rather than trying to short it, but it's making a big time pullback. We'll see around this kind of 17.50, 15 zone. If we can drop a few more bucks tomorrow, I think that that will get us, really kind of right back into kind of some support areas over here where we could see a potential reversal. VRS, I'm not sure what the PR on this was today. I know that we've seen this stock in the past go on some really, really monster runs. And so it happens about once a year. So I believe they had a merger agreement. So I don't have any bias on this, whether it's a long or short. But this type of obviously movement, when you're talking about hundreds of percent, even beyond its original gap, definitely something that we need to put on our list for potential day trades. ELMD, this was a big runner, last week, and we've had a nice, easy-go-lucky kind of 3-day pullback. Watch if we have a morning dip towards that 2 level. We might get a quick bounce, quick bounce to the upside. ROIK, up 4 or 5 days in a row. Looking for an additional push. If we get a strong move in the morning towards the 6s, I'll look for, towards the 6 area, I'll look for a potential rubber band short on this. SCON, big mover today. I think this is going to be in play tomorrow also. It's broken some key levels here in terms of its 200-day moving average along with price resistance. Seed, big move. Gap today, big move. If we get another gap and an opening rush, maybe to 3, maybe to even 4s, I'm going to start looking for a short on this bad boy, especially if we get 2 monster gaps in a row. This stock, I've been trading this stock on and off for years, and it's always been a turd. It does this every blue moon. You'll get these spikes up, and then they always comes fades back. I don't believe that this will be anything different. We just saw this in really October, right? It went from $120 to 240. ELTK, I think this one's also, this one looks like it's coiling up for a run. We're starting to make kind of some higher lows here, and I think that we're building some support, and this thing could go any day. I definitely keep this on your watch list. ACHN, I don't know much about this company, but these kind of range plays, are working in this market. I think that we've got a nice, easy-go-lucky level there. I'd keep this on watch for a base breakout. Dryce, I rarely trade shippers. They trade like turds, kind of like coal stocks. But for just, a nice swing trade, this is at a good level here around this 4 level. It's really easy to manage your risk on this trade. You can put a stop under your 20-day moving average. You got some price support here. This is a thick stock. Trades like, what's this stock? Like a Sirius satellite radio. So it sucks for a day trader. But it looks like a pretty good swing. LITB, we're in this stock from about 838, I believe, was our swing ad on this stock last week. Nice run to 10. I think this will be in play for a couple days here. The move today was accompanied by some type of PR. I didn't read it, but judging by the way it closed, it must have been received pretty well. So we'll watch this for some continued day trades into tomorrow. Body, watch this one too. These type of base breakouts are working. Something like this, it could go any day. Same thing with NIHD here. We've bottomed out here, right? We've made kind of a higher low, and if we take out this range, I think that this one can go. Wooba, after it tried to break out IPO highs the other day, and it didn't hold, but we've had kind of a nice, easy pullback, so I'd expect this one to bounce. And then I'm watching this ATHM. After this monster move, we've kind of retraced a lot of this gain. I like the way this stock trades. This is a China stock too, and so if you see Chinese stocks running, keep this on your watch list for a potential bounce. I don't have a particular entry point on it just yet. We'll have to watch and see how it opens. I'd rather see it open really weak and try to long this sucker, but you never know. So that's it for now, guys. I had a short list. Chat room's been kicking butt. We'll see you guys all in the morning. And, email me if you guys got any questions, or make sure to leave some comments. That's it for now, folks. Take care.